Clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to do a get ready with me because I have a lot of new products to play around with since I got back from BeautyCon, and I'm really excited to play around with some of them. So I figured we would do a get ready with me and just chit chat and play around with makeup. So yeah, let's get started because I want to do a fun, colorful look, and I do have a lot of exciting things to tell you guys. So let's go. So first I'm going to do a face mask. Just because skincare is important. I already did an exfoliation on my skin in the shower right now, and then I'm gonna do this Youtsey mask. It is a mask pack that revitalizes the skin damaged by UV rays and enhanced clarity. Put my hair up. I got these Tati lashes and I'm so excited to use them. Oh my god. So yeah, let's just put this mask on, and it says I have to leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Not too bad. Smells like oranges. I can never open these things. It always looks so crazy. I'm gonna rub this into my skin just to let it absorb. Always rub it down to your neck. Then I like to take my foundation brush and just like go over it just so it really soaks into the skin and into the brush. I've been breaking out recently. We've been really busy, haven't been home to do like any skincare routines. Okay, so I got this VDL Lumiere Premier Fresh Illuminizing Primer in my BeautyCon VIP bag, and I'm really excited to use it. I've used it a couple times already and it's really bomb. I love how it just gives you like that natural glow, but it enhances it a lot more. I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. This was also in my BeautyCon bag. The haul to that bag was so fun to film, but it took so long, and I really did try to make it like a short video, but definitely go check it out because that VIP bag was insane, and I love all the products that I got, and I'm definitely going to be using all of them in this video. Not all of them, but like a lot of them. It was a bag that was like, I believe it had like $300 worth of products in it, and wow, I was in love. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then practice on one eye, and I'll be right back because I think I definitely need to practice with this look. Hey, I did it. So I love this look so much already. I can't wait to see when it's finished. I did like a rainbow look: yellow, orange, pink, green, blue, purple, and I am using the Spectrum palette that I also got in the BeautyCon bag. So I'm gonna go in first, and I'm gonna use the Marigold color, and it's the yellow. And I've already primed my lids with concealer. We're gonna put the yellow in the corner of the eye, really blending it backwards. And this eyeshadow is very buildable and very pigmented. Right now I'm just using like edge brushes, so this is the Morphe E14 brush, and I'll be using the color Beat. It's like a really pretty bright orange. I'm just gonna pat it on there like this and go up. So really exciting news, we just met with the florist and I am so obsessed. We only have 8 more months until the wedding. This is actually one of his flower samples, and guys, it's gonna be insane and amazing, and I'm so excited. He took my idea of a flower wall and made it like 10 times better, so I just can't wait till you guys see all that because of course I'm gonna be vlogging and posting the wedding vlog. The next color is going to be Rave, and I'm not really blending just yet. I'm gonna set them in place and then really blend. I'm using the Morphe 827 brush to put Rave in. This really is good for like shaping. Now I'm taking Rave and Totally, and I'm mixing them together with the Anastasia Riviera palette brush, just the end of it, and I'm going to be blending it further in the corner. I like can't do my eyeshadow or eyeliner without opening my mouth. I'm really trying hard. And now I'm just gonna focus on blending this with the other side of the Anastasia brush. And blend it until this harsh line goes away. And really all the colors blend together. Now I'm going with the Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to be using their patchouli color just for the brow part of my eyelid. So this also helps blend it in further. Okay, now I'm taking the Morphe 827 brush again, and I'm going to be using Lucky. And this is for my waterline. I'm going to start from this corner and drag it down. And next we're going to do Bermuda. Lastly, we're gonna do Rain. Okay, eyeliner time, and we're just going to follow the natural shape of our eye. So I'm gonna clean the wing later, but for now I'm just going to focus on lashes. I'm going to prep my lashes with the Voluminous Lashes from L'Oreal. I really like this so far. Now I'm gonna be taking the Tati lashes. Okay, here we go. Let it dry just for a little bit. It looks really crazy right now, but I promise we're gonna clean it up as soon as we're almost finished. I love these lashes. Definitely needed a dramatic lash with this dramatic look. Now I'm just gonna clean it up some. Okay, this looks good. It's gonna look even better after foundation. So I'm using the Chanel Velvet Foundation in the shade 40. What I like to do is shake it up and then apply it on my hand, let it coagulate right there, and then just take little tiny amounts and just dab it everywhere. And this is like a medium coverage. You don't really need a lot of product, so I really like that. Using my Morphe Kabuki foundation brush, just lightly patting it around, getting the most out of my coverage. I really do like this foundation. I think it's like one of the best foundations I've ever tried, and I've tried a couple, but this will always be like my #1 until I make my own, of course. Just gotta get the formula perfected. Always do your neck, your chest. My chest is a little red. We went to the lake yesterday. Oh, speaking of, I forgot to tell you guys, Kishana, my best friend from Arizona, just came down this weekend. She spent Labor Day weekend with us, and it was really fun. I did vlog some of it, so I'm going to try to like vlog a little more because it's about like, it's a short video and I kind of want to make it longer somehow. But yeah, but we did a lot of fun things. I took her out to the Domain. I took her out to Fredericksburg, Lukenbach, and just did a lot of sightseeing, touristy stuff, some shopping. That was a good time, and I really missed her. And it was her first time flying ever, so it was really cool that she, you know, wanted to fly here and visit. So now I'm gonna be using the Chanel foundation again, but this is the shade 20. I'm gonna be using this as concealer. I just like to do the same thing. This is a trick that I just recently started doing. I don't know why, I felt like my concealer was too light for me and I didn't really want to go to the store, so I was trying this out. And I kind of really like it. It just looks more natural, but still dramatic. I lost my other foundation brush that I was just using. Found it. Okay, found it. I'm gonna stick with this brush just because this one is easier. It's more dense. I'm gonna take what's left over and just do your cheeks. And now we're gonna take this brush that I thought I lost and blend it all the way in, just a little bit better. And again, I just like to pat. So I did get this natural bronzer from Remy London. I'm gonna play around with it, but I am pretty in love with my Morphe Vlogger bronzer. So let's just see. I might have to mix it too because this looks a little light. and I like being dark. So yeah, I'm gonna see what it looks like alone. I do like the little design on it. Yeah, this might be a good base for bronzer. My little baby hairs are in the way. Yeah, this is not dark enough. This might be good for the nose. It is really good. This could be like a good powder, like foundation powder, but again, it's too light for me. So Morphe Vlogger Bronzer, here we are. Yes. So I do have blush. I did get blush, and I don't really normally use blush, as you guys may know who are familiar with my channel. But I figured today, why not? Use the Vlogger Bronzer and contour out my nose. Start from my eyebrows very lightly. Work my way down. Okay, so again, blush scares me. I'm gonna mix it with my bronzing brush, just in case I need to tone it down. No. Let's see if I can fix this. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, okay, yeah, no more blush. That was intense. I think I definitely used the wrong brush for that, but this is a bronzer slash blush brush. So you'd think it would work. Much better. I was kind of scared for a little while. Really love this look. So I'm gonna finish off with some Skylighter and then a special gloss combo. Opened a new Skylighter from SKY Beauty Co. Remember, you can shop now, www.skyco.org, anytime. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Look at that glow. We're just gonna put it where we normally would. This is a cream highlighter. It's very easy to apply, very buildable, blendable. I was trying to say those words at the same time. So I just launched lip glosses and glitter lip glosses. I'll show you guys what they look like. These are the glitter lip glosses right here. Designer Drip, Icy, and then Royalty. I'll swatch them for you guys too, just so you guys can see them. And then the regular lip glosses, this one is Crystal Clear, Nude, and Princess. So these two do have like a little bit of a glitter shine to them, but not as intense as the glitter glosses. They smell so good too. They smell like vanilla. They are organic, vegan, animal cruelty free, and high shine. So that was Crystal Clear. As you can see, it's just shiny. This one is Nude. Nude. This one is Princess. Glitter glosses are bomb to watch. So this one is Designer Drip. Oh yes. Camera never does it justice, I promise you guys. That's just one swipe. These glitter glosses do give you a holographic look to it because it like changes colors whenever your lips hit different lights. So this one has pearl hues with it and a little bit of gold. There you can see how shiny it is. Ooh. The next is Royalty. And this one has a pink tint to it with some gold also. Look at that. I'm trying to get really close just because, again, the camera does not do it justice, guys. And then the last one is Icy. This one is Icy because it is like a blue. It does have purple to it as well. Again, it hits differently. It changes color whenever the light hits differently. There we go. So there is Icy. You can tell, again, the camera's not really picking it up. It is a little blue with purple hue. Royalty, Designer Drip, Princess Nude Crystal Clear. Oh, see, you can kind of see the different colors. They're just so pretty, guys. So yeah, anyways, let's see these babies in actual action. I'm gonna be taking my designer liquid lipstick and I'm gonna use that as a base because this combo is a killer combo. They were made for each other, I promise. If you can't tell by the matching names, kind of. Designer is like a light nude. It's a natural everyday nude. It pairs perfectly with like every look, I promise. This is designer. So now I'm gonna be adding designer drip. Now this is amazing. So excited for you guys to actually see this on camera, finally. Oh, look at that. Hello. I love glitter gloss. Anything glittery. Honestly, I think I might put some of this up there too. Again, the test smells so good. I really want to eat this. Just to see what this looks like. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my hair and then I'm gonna do a final look. And this is the final look. I'm really obsessed with this look. I'm very surprised, honestly, because I haven't played around with color in a minute and it turned out really, really cute. Props. So yeah, simple, but not really. It really wasn't that hard. It was just a lot of blending, a lot of color usage, but really, really fun. Love the look, as I said already. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. I'm gonna show you guys the look one last final time before we end this vlog. Whatever. Okay, well that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below and I'll be liking and commenting back. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button because every sky needs her clouds. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye clouds, I love you. Oh, big like as well.